Bururi wa Kenya uthagira ciringi 3 kugura indo nja wa bururi gukiringithanio na ciringi 1 iria bururi wamukagira hari thogore-ini ya wendia wa indo iria ithondekagirwo guku bururi-ini. Ni undu wao Athunduri othe guku bururi-ini nimoritio mekirire uthondeki wa indo cia kwendia mabururi-ini ma nanja niguo kugacirithia wonjoria hamwe na kwimathira uboco wao wa oro muthenya.
We buy more from outside countries and we sell less to them at a ratio of 1:3. And for us to be able to bridge that gap, we need the innovations, we need participation of such young entrepreneurs and everybody else, and we such products which we have seen in today's exhibition, so that we will be able to export such to the external markets.
Ageikia Ritana riri hindi ya monanio ma Uthunduri University-ini wa Jkuat, murugamiriri munene wa ruhonge rwa kugacirithia wendia wa indo nja wa bururi niwe Wilfred Marube ni augite kuri na mieke mingi ya Kenya kwendia indo cia mabururi-ini ma nanja, undu uyu akigweta ariguo uhotithitie bururi uyu kwandandura gikabu kia mbeca iria wamukagira kumana na thogore ino.
So I would want us to encourage that anytime you walk into a supermarket, just look out for any product that has a mark made in Kenya. Because it's only that when you can consume local, the industries will grow, you are going to create more jobs, and most importantly, the same products are going to reach the export markets.
Marube ni ugite Uthunduri uyu uri na mieke mingi ya kuheithia mbeu njithi mawira na kumaruta ukiini munene uri makureire maitho amwe ao magicungiririo kuingirania na ikundi cia wikinai.
Our vision as an agency is to ensure that we have many more people participating as exporters.
Mwena-ini wake Vice Chancellor wa Jkuat Victoria Ngumi ni ugite Uthunduri ni njira imwe ya guteithiriria bururi gukinyaniria cioneki ciaguo undu umwe na kugacirithia utonga wa bururi.
From these innovations through commercialization to create wealth and improve livelihoods. We all recognize the Vision 2030, that it includes the sector plans for science, technology and innovation.
Ngumi aritio riri makiria ma thukuru 19 cigeneire university no monanio ma Uthunduri magitanyo kuhingura mbeu njithi maitho na kumateithiriria gukinyaniria iroto ciao muturire-ini. Hado-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Gathoni Wang'ang'a.